In this concise tutorial, I will guide you through the process of connecting your GoDaddy domain to your Shopify store. This task is straightforward and can be accomplished with ease. Begin by opening Shopify and navigating to your store's dashboard. From there, proceed to the settings located in the bottom left-hand corner and select Domains. Typically, you will only have the default Shopify domain displayed. To connect your GoDaddy domain, click on Connect Existing Domain and enter your domain name. For demonstration, I will use knowledgebasehub.com. Copy your domain name, paste it into the field provided, and click Next. Next, you need to add some DNS records in your GoDaddy account. Open GoDaddy and select Manage DNS for the domain you wish to connect. Scroll through your DNS records and add the necessary records. First, add a name record. If there is an existing name record, delete it. Create a new name record with the name www and the value shops.myshopify.com. Then save the record. After that, add an A record with the name @ and the provided IP address. Then save this record as well. Once the DNS records are updated, return to Shopify and click Verify Connection. Shopify will check and confirm the connection almost immediately. You will then see your domain listed. Select your domain and set it as your primary domain. It may take a couple of hours for the changes to fully propagate, but often it updates instantly. To verify, copy your domain and paste it into your browser. It should now redirect to your Shopify store. This simple process ensures your GoDaddy domain is successfully connected to Shopify.